Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Monday Market, where we talk about last week in real estate. I'm your host, Team Coultrup from RE/MAX, and this week we're taking a look at August 17th until the 24th, 2020. This week we saw 30 new listings, 7 properties came back to the market. We had just an incredible 41 homes be conditionally sold. 27 families got their keys this week, congratulations to them. And we saw an unusually high 15 homes get a price decrease. We saw just one price increase, and we had 23 canceled listings, which is way higher than usual. But looking into it further, the high amount of canceled listings was from a condominium building that was taken off the market. So this is looking a lot more like a one-time bump instead of an actual market shift, so that's important to note. Otherwise, the market continues to look incredibly strong right now, as this is even higher numbers overall than we've seen in the previous weeks, which were, by all means, great-looking weeks. So we're still seeing an upturn trend on pretty much everything. So for this week's deep dive, we got a fun one. We are going to look into Arran-Elderslie, which is a first for our channel. So from anyone watching from there, hello, welcome, glad you're here. For those who don't know, Arran-Elderslie covers the area, different areas such as Allenford, Tara, Mount Hope, Dobbinston, Paisley, and Chesley. It's quite a large area. So throughout the year, they've been on a bit of a roller coaster overall. When the pandemic hit, the average price of a home spiked to all new heights, going over $400,000 for the first time in their history, actually. Now, since then, the market has seen a bit of a correction, which we've seen on pretty much every municipality around, and they've come back down to $350,000, which is much more in line for what we would be expecting. Over the years, they've seen an upwards trend, but $350,000 is roughly where they should be sitting. So, new listings and active listings right now are in line with what was happening last year, but sales activity has seen an upturn. The market is moving at a breakneck pace, with July seeing an average months of inventory of 1.5 months. Now, we saw this number in last week's video for Kincardine, and I gotta admit, I don't think I did a good enough job highlighting just how significant that is. This number means 1.5 months. That if the market doesn't change, and very soon, in 1.5 months, theoretically, all the houses on the market are gone, and we have a completely different looking market and inventory than we did 1.5 months ago. Now that is great for sellers if you price your home properly, but backbreaking for buyers. It's critical that you know what you're doing in a market moving just this fast, and that is what I'm here for. To learn more about how to buy or sell a home right now, as always, you can call me at 519-386-5745 or drop me an email at connor@remax-lx.ca. I'm not gonna lie, the market is kind of scary right now, especially for first-time home buyers, but I have a whole team behind me ready to help navigate you through this storm. And that's all we've got for this week, friends. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for your time. I truly appreciate it. And as always, I will be here next week, again, right here on this chair until I buy a new one, for the next installment of the Monday Market. Take care, everybody.